everybody. Are you bored? Because if you have cyber days, you have extra time if it ends or early, or you even have 3 days off. Well, I'm here to make your boredom vanish. I have a small activity, but it's going to make your imagination go big and wild. In this activity, you will need 3 pieces of dough, or you can use any type, of dough, play-doh, or I used fun dough. And separate it into balls or just one big ball. You will also need small lentils or grains like Cheerios, popcorn seeds, uncooked rice, beans, and some gravel. But you can use whatever you want. You will also need a bobby pin, a paper clip, and a toothpick. Whichever one you want, or all 3. In this activity, you will also become a treasure hunter. I know, cool, right? A treasure hunt. So, let's start. We're first going to take this dough and we're going to roll it in a ball, or if you already have a ball, that's good. So, then we're going to smush it as deep as you can, but not too thin, or else it won't work. Then, put some of your items into your green ball, or your colored ball, any color. Put some in. There we go. But make sure it's a little bit of everything. And then we're going to roll it together in a ball. It's okay if lentils fall because you can always clean it up. And while you're mixing, if something falls out, then that's okay. You can always put it right back where it went. Mix it together very well so that you can feel some and you can't feel some. Now let's do the same thing with the blue. Pick it up, roll it into a ball if it's already a ball good. Push it down, a little bit of everything. You can just do one of everything if you want, but I like different amounts, so I'm gonna do like different amounts. 2 of these, 3 of these. You can do how many of what you want. And there we go. So now we're gonna mix this one too. And I've done this with the yellow one too before, but here's an optional one. You can take all 3 of them, which is what I'm gonna do, and you can mix them together one by one. So let's do it. As I said, it's okay if things fall. Now do all 3 of them, or how many you have. Make it look like a color rainbow. It should look like it's already been mixed by a professional. And now we're ready. You know how I said the bobby pin, the paper clip, and the toothpick in the start? Now it's finally time to use them. Get one of your items. I like a toothpick best. And you can either play against a family member or you can just play by yourself. And you can set a timer or stopwatch to see if you beat a new record. Or you can see who picks out everything the fastest against your sibling or your cousins. Ready, set, go. And one of the rules is that you can only dig using your materials. You cannot dig with your hands. Put them into a plate or a bowl. The fastest one wins. Good luck on your game, and remember to be good treasure hunters. Thank you. Bye.